How's it going? My name's Tucker from Automotive. This right here is a 2017 Subaru Impreza that we just took in. I'm gonna do a quick video, run over all the features, everything like that. So let's just hop right into it. Okay, so starting out front, this is going to be a beautiful small sedan. If you're looking for something like this is gonna get great gas mileage, 28 to 38 miles per gallon highway and city or city highway. It's gonna come in this beautiful burgundy color. It is a really nice, eye-catching color. But not too bright if you're looking for something not too bright. You get your halogen headlights and this nice Subaru front grille. And coming to the exterior now, get a better look at that paint color. Like I said, it's just a really nice color overall. This is going to be a great, commuter, first car for someone, something like that. Has very low miles, only 25,000 miles. And with Subarus, if you treat them right, they're going to treat you right. And you can go for a bunch more miles in a bunch of years on this thing. It is going to be just over 16,400. So a perfect car under $20,000. Affordable option. But yeah, you have an all-wheel drive system with these 17-inch wheels. Really nice all seats and tires as well. Kind of get you through, snow, rain, anything like that. I've had a few Subarus myself, and whenever I'm driving these in the snow, basically I feel unstoppable. They're great in the snow. And lastly, finishing off the exterior, back at the trunk, you do have on the key fob, hit this twice, or actually once. Just hold it down and it will pop open so you can access your trunk. You actually have a ton of space back here, especially for more compact sedan. You can basically fit whatever you'd like. You can also fold down these seats as well if you put in, maybe you're doing a little home job, you want some wood or metal paneling, whatever it be, snowboard back here, anything like that, you can put it in, fold the seats down, have a ton of space back here, groceries, whatever it be. Coming to the interior now, we're gonna start in the back seat. You get this nice two-tone interior. You have the black as well as that beige color. You have the black carpeting, the beige cloth seating. Really nice seating overall, really comfy. You have a ton of space back here. Like I said, this is more of a smaller car. You have a ton of space. I can fit back here perfectly fine. If you're tall, you can fit back here as well. You have a ton of leg room. But like I said, you can actually fold these seats down to give you more space if you would like. Okay, finishing off our walkthrough in the front seat, you have this nice beige seating, bucket seats as well. Really comfy. You have a ton of space up here actually as well, a ton of leg room. But coming to the steering wheel, you're going to be able to connect to that infotainment system. You're going to be able to make calls, end calls from here, change the volume, put on Bluetooth, stuff like that, all from the steering wheel. You obviously have your cruise control on the other side. Basically help so you can do a lot what you need while you're driving without even taking your hands off the wheel. Your dash is going to come with a bunch of different settings as well. That's just going to show some of the settings for the car as well as the infotainment system. You're going to have Bluetooth, radio, backup camera as well. I didn't show that in the back, but it does have a backup camera. And the rest of the settings are going to be able to be accessed through the infotainment system. You're also going to have right below that climate control, everything like that. You also have storage and cup holders as well. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you think that this Subaru might be the vehicle for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take over a test drive. We're happy to help. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.